Hello! Today we will talk about the Smart Report. So, Altris AI platform offers a convenient solution for generating innovative smart reports, whereby you can have a complete report with the header of the clinic, doctor and patient information, and all the details of the examination you would like to include in the report. Let's see how to create a report. So we have this patient, Alex Cooper. We uploaded his examination, analyzed the scans, and we want to create a report. Click Report button to start generating it. Create Examination Report window pops up. By default, the following sections are included in the report, such as single scan, retina layer segmentation, the ETDRS, both eyes comparison, progression, segmentation, and classification. Some sections might be inactive and marked gray color, as you can see. There's a hover in front of it that explains why this section cannot be added at the moment. For example, you cannot create a report for both eyes if you haven't added the opposite eye examination. When you click the report button, by default you see the last scan selected on the severity detection map from the single scan tab. Okay, you can select other scans by clicking on the select other button. You can select any scan from all scans for your report, as well as filter scans by order of severity or from high and low high. It's possible to add one scan from any section to your report, except the segmentation and classification. From this tab, as many scans as needed can be added to the report. Once you have arranged your report, click the Print button. Generated report pops up, and it consists of the header with the clinic's information, some patient information, and the examination details, and of course the edit sections here. So you can save it from here as PDF, print, or cancel. You have the opportunity to send scans directly to report from the Segmentation and Classification tab with the help of the button Add to Report. Okay, I can check this scan. 78 scan is included in my report. Okay, yeah, it's here. Perfect. Okay, so we created report, and now you know how to create it on your own. Hope this was helpful, and see you in our next tutorial.